Welcome to this tutorial on how to apply watermarks to images using Vue.js and Cloudinary. We'll go through dynamically adding watermarks to images, applying transformations such as resize and opacity, and modify overlay image positions. Dynamic watermarks protect image ownership, prevent unauthorized use, and enhance brand visibility. They allow flexibility in customization, ensuring scalable and automated protection without altering original files. This is crucial for businesses handling large volumes of images, like e-commerce and media platforms. For the demo, I have created this simple Vue-free Vite and Tailwind CSS application that has a header and displays 3 project cards with images. In the Cloudinary media library, you can upload your watermark image that we will use later on. In this tutorial, I will use the Cloudinary icon located at the bottom of Cloudinary sample images. The project card.vue component here is responsible for displaying the specific project card that contains a title, description, image URL, and some tags. As you can see, we have already imported the advanced image component from Cloudinary Vue package and used it in the template, but we do not use any transformations yet. Let's start modifying our image by adding an overlay. For that, we would need to pass a source, and in our case, it will be an image called samples Cloudinary icon. Let's save the file and see how it looks in the browser. We can see that indeed Cloudinary logo was added as an overlay to each image, but this overlay image is too big for my taste. Let's make it smaller by using Cloudinary powerful transformations. We will start by adding a transformation, and inside we will create a new transformation. Then we will resize the image and we will use fill, and then we will add width 400. Now the overlay image is smaller as we want it. Let's now add opacity to it to make it a bit more transparent. To do so, we will add adjust, and inside we will pass opacity and the value of 60. The overlay image now has opacity. Let's position the overlay image in the bottom right corner. We'll do so by adding a position and inside passing a new position. We will use gravity and specifically compass so that we can use directions such as southeast. The overlay image is indeed in the bottom right corner, but it should have a vertical offset. Let's add it now. We will say offset Y and give it a value of 100. Now our images have proper watermarks generated dynamically thanks to Cloudinary. Let's review. You have learned how to dynamically apply watermarks to images in Vue.js with Cloudinary. You can now extend this further by allowing users to upload their images and dynamically select watermarks. Check out the official Cloudinary documentation about watermarking and the blog posts about watermarks, credits, badges, and text overlays to images.